Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Bryant Barnes here with a song called I'd Rather Pretend. Alright, so on this one, this Bryant Barnes is new here on Going Guitar. So yeah, I thought this song was really nice. This is a piano-based song, so it's a little bit different normally, but with this song we just have straight plain downs. Alright, so if you like him, that's nice. And if you never heard him before, I think of Given. That's how his voice is going towards Given's voice, if you recognize that artist. And if you like Given, this is a good artist to look into. Bryant Barnes. We had Given here before, so it's songs that Lost Me, At Least We Tried, or some of the songs. So if you like those songs, then you probably could like Bryant Barnes and his beautiful voice. So anyway, just a comparison from my head, and let's take a look at this specific song, I'd Rather Pretend. And we're gonna do that with capo on the first fret. All right, so with that we have 5 different chords. So we're gonna look in the chords and we start with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D7. So that is open D, second G, first B, and second E. We have G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have a C major 7, but with the G in the bass. Okay, so that is to play third on E string, then third on A, then second on D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the E. And that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we're gonna play just straight down, so we don't have to use any strumming pattern for this one. We're gonna go right into the chords. And for first verse, we're gonna play A minor 4, D7 4, G4, and the C major G4. All right. And then in the next round, you play A minor 4, D7 4, G4. You start in the same way, but the last chord will be E4. So A minor, D7, G, and C major, then A minor, D7, G, and E. 4 downs per chord. It goes like this. D7, G, C, A minor, D7, Alright, so you're gonna do that for this one round, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. And you're gonna play A minor 4, D7 4, G4, and E4. Just for one round, we're gonna play through that again. A minor, D7, G, E. One round, and that takes us to the chorus play. Now we have a chord progression: A minor 4, D7 4, G4, and the C G4. Then the next part goes A minor 4, D7 4, G4, C2, and E2. Okay, and then A minor 4, D7 4, G4, and CG4. So a lot to remember here. I'm gonna play through for you. I'm gonna just mention the chords as well while I'm playing. So let's go for one round in chorus. And I can just mention right now, this is only one round played. So A minor, D7, minor, D7, G, C, E, A minor, D, G, C. And that's the end of the first chorus. All right, so the second verse now is played in the same way as the first one. So no changes there. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. So once you learn this so far, you know this song. After the second chorus, we have just an outro part left. And what you're gonna play there is A minor 4, D7 4, G4, and E4. Only one round, and it goes like this. Yes, and that covers Bryant Barnes' I'd Rather Pretend. So thank you, my friends, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. And if you enjoyed as much as I do to do these tutorials, then give me a like, give me motivation to go on here and support me in any way you can. Thank you so much, and play tuned.